Make a great choice today with the 2015 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, fog lights, child safety locks, compass, trip odometer, power brakes, clock. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.